All right, guys, welcome back. We're going to be going over imbalance field price action. So pretty much what that means is when we have that imbalance or that gap in the market, right? Or fair value gap, however you know it as, right? What we care about is price going up to fill the imbalance. That's what we care about. That's what we want to see. We don't want to enter in the middle of this, on the open of this, or anywhere in here. We want it to fill, right? So we don't care about anything, right? Pretty much down here. We only care about it if it fills the fair value gap, the imbalance, um, insufficiency, whatever you want to call it, right? We only care about it if it fills. So let's say we have right? We have a fair value gap here or imbalance, right? And then price comes down, then it goes, all right? That does happen, but there is a reason why it didn't fill. There's more factors coming in play. There's always a reason why, okay? But we don't care about this. We want price, or we would like to see price, right? To fill, and then that's valid for us. Only if it fills, okay? That's the only way we'll use fair value gaps or imbalance. In other words, imbalance field price action, right? So as simple as that, okay? Just for it to fill, and that's it. And of course, like I mentioned before, we use a lot of confluences, so a lot of, things come to play. But that's it for now. On to the next one.